Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Here is your science teacher, and today I am going to teach you about Unit 5 Leaves. In this unit, first of all, we will study what is a leaf and also their different kinds and different parts of the leaves. Let's read about leaves. So, what is a leaf? A leaf is the flat green part of a plant. What is a leaf? A leaf is the flat green part of a plant. Now you can see in this picture, it is a leaf and you can see it is a flat part of a plant. All leaves grow on the stem of a plant. A leaf is the flat green part of a plant. The green color of a leaf is due to a colored substance called chlorophyll. The green color of a leaf is due to a colored substance called chlorophyll. What is this word? Chlorophyll. Now look at, this is a green part of the plant and this is the green pigment due to which the color of the plant is green, and a green pigment that gives leaves and stems their color. Due to this green pigment, the color of the leaves is green, and also this captures the sunlight energy that is used to produce food called glucose. So the green pigment can capture or can absorb the sunlight, and due to which the plants make their food. So due to this green pigment, due to this chlorophyll, the plants can make their own food. Now here we will study parts of a leaf. A leaf is joined to the stem by a leaf stalk. A leaf is joined to the stem by a leaf stalk. A leaf blade is the flat green part of the leaf. The midrib and veins carry water and food. I am repeating parts of the leaves. A leaf is joined to the stem by a leaf stalk. A leaf blade is the flat green part of the leaf. The midrib and veins carry water and food. Now look at here the different parts that we have studied. This part is called leaf blade or lamina. So this is leaf blade and this part is called midrib, or we say main vein. So this part is called midrib, and you can see here there are veins in the leaf. So this part is called veins, and by which the leaf is attached to the stem, this part is called leaf stalk. By which the leaf is attached to the stem, this part is called leaf stalk. Now you can understand the different parts of the leaves. leaf blade, midrib, veins, leaf stalk. Now you know leaves are of many shapes and sizes. They may have smooth edges, saw-like edges, or looped edges. So do you know the leaves have different shapes and sizes? Now here you can see the different shapes and sizes of the leaves. This is called smooth leaf because you can see here their edges are very smooth. So this leaf have smooth edges. Now here this is saw-like edges. These leaves have saw-like edges and these leaves have lobed edges. So there are different types of leaves you can see and different sizes and shapes of the leaves you can observe in the garden or whenever you go outside. You can see the different plants and also their different leaves. Now here we will study about kinds of leaves. So when one leaf grows on a leaf stalk, it is called a simple leaf. There are two main kinds of leaves, that simple and compound. So here when one leaf grows on a leaf stalk, it is called a simple leaf. You can see here one leaf is on the leaf stalk and this is another leaf. So this is one leaf is on a leaf stalk. So that's why we call these leaves are simple leaves. Now here we will study about compound leaf. When two or more small leaves grow on a leaf stalk, the leaf is called a compound leaf. When two or more small leaves grow on a leaf stalk, the leaf is called a compound leaf. The small leaves of a compound leaf are called leaflets. The small leaves of a compound leaf are called leaflets. Now here you can see the different compound leaves and the small leaves of these compound leaves are called leaflets. So these are leaflets. So there are different compound leaves you can see in this picture. Function of leaves. Do you know, students, what is the function of the leaves? Yes, green leaves make food for the plant. Green leaves make food for the plant. You can see the leaves are the food factory of the plant. The food of a plant is glucose. The food of a plant is glucose. Glucose is sweet like sugar. A leaf makes food with the help of air, water, chlorophyll, and sunlight. Do you know? A leaf makes food with the help of air, water, chlorophyll, and sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. The food making process of the plant is called photosynthesis. Now in this picture you can see the photosynthesis process, and here you can see the leaf absorb carbon dioxide and water from the roots and carbon dioxide from the air through the stomata, and then sunlight absorb, and then they make their food, or they make carbohydrates or glucose for the plant. And in this result, here they also produce oxygen. So this process is called photosynthesis. Leaves absorb the carbon dioxide through the small holes which are present under the leaves. These small holes are called stomata. And this process by which the plants or leaves make their food is called photosynthesis. So this is photosynthesis process. In this picture you can see. Air goes into the leaf through small holes called pores. Water comes into the leaf through the leaf veins, and sunlight comes from the sun. Do you know? For photosynthesis, from where the leaves take air, air goes into the leaf through small holes called pores, and water comes into the leaf through the leaf veins, and sunlight comes from the sun. So here you can see the water comes from the stem, and they take sunlight and also carbon dioxide from the air. So in this process the leaves make their food. So this process is called photosynthesis. In this picture you can see the all things that leaves take which they need is water, carbon dioxide and sunlight. And chlorophyll is also, you know that it is a green pigment inside the plant cell. So by using these all things, the plant or leaves make the food for the plant. This food is called glucose, and the food making process is called photosynthesis. Now I hope you can read this unit 5 leaves, and you can understand the different kinds of